A guide to acing your exams. Avoid these common mistakes is our today's topic for personal development and productivity tips section. Exams are a crucial part of academic life, and scoring high marks can significantly impact your future. To achieve your best, it's essential to steer clear of common exam mistakes that can hinder your performance. In this video, we will explore some key mistakes to avoid, accompanied by practical examples that illustrate these pitfalls. 1. Lack of proper preparation. One of the most common mistakes students make is inadequate preparation. For instance, cramming the night before an exam can lead to stress and limited retention. To avoid this, plan your study schedule well in advance and review the material regularly. Practical example. If you have a management exam in 2 weeks, break down the content into manageable chunks, allocate specific study hours, and revise consistently. 2. Ignoring time management. Effective time management is crucial during exams. Not budgeting your time wisely can result in rushing through questions and making careless errors. Practical example. In a 3-hour exam with 10 questions, allocate a specific time limit for each question to ensure you have enough time for all of them. 3. Neglecting exam instructions. Failing to read and understand the exam instructions can lead to unnecessary errors. Practical example. If the instructions specify to answer 3 out of 5 essay questions, make sure you answer the correct number and not more, as this might reduce the quality of your answers. 4. Skipping review. Many students overlook the importance of reviewing their work. This can lead to missed opportunities to correct errors and enhance their scores. Practical example. After completing your math exam, always review your calculations to catch any arithmetic mistakes that could be costing you valuable points. 5. Neglecting your health. Your physical and mental well-being play a significant role in exam success. Lack of sleep, poor nutrition, and excessive stress can impair your performance. Practical example. A student who stays up late to study the night before an exam might find it challenging to focus and answer questions coherently. 6. Overlooking practice tests. Practice tests are invaluable tools for exam preparation. Not using them means missing the opportunity to familiarize yourself with the format and types of questions. Practical example. Before a standardized test like the SAT or ACT, taking practice exams under timed conditions can help you get accustomed to the test structure and improve your performance. 7. Not asking for clarifications. If you encounter unclear or confusing questions during the exam, don't hesitate to ask for clarification from your instructor or proctor. Leaving a question unanswered due to a misunderstanding can cost you valuable marks. Practical example. If you're unsure about the wording of a question, don't hesitate to raise your hand and request clarification. 8. Panic under pressure. It's natural to feel anxious during exams, but letting anxiety overwhelm you can hinder your ability to think clearly. Practical example. When faced with a challenging question, take a deep breath, tackle the parts you know, and come back to the difficult part later. Panicking can lead to rushed and incorrect answers. Conclusion. Avoiding common exam mistakes is crucial for achieving high marks. By preparing well, managing your time effectively, and maintaining your physical and mental well-being, you can increase your chances of academic success. Practical examples demonstrate how to steer clear of these pitfalls and perform at your best during exams. Remember, it's not just about studying hard but also about studying smart, and good luck for your next exam. Thanks for listening.